Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee. Yes, I like coffee. No, I don't like coffee. No, I don't like coffee. Are you busy now? Are you busy now? Yes, I am busy. Yes, I am busy. No, I am not busy. No, I am not busy. Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car? Yes, I can drive. Yes, I can drive. No, I cannot drive. No, I cannot drive. Do you read books? Do you read books? Yes, I read books. Yes, I read books. No, I don't read books. No, I don't read books. Are you at home? Are you at home? Yes, I am at home. Yes, I am at home. No, I am not at home. No, I am not at home. Do you watch movies? Do you watch movies? Yes, I watch movies. Yes, I watch movies. No, I don't watch movies. No, I don't watch movies. Is it cold today? Is it cold today? Yes, it is cold. Yes, it is cold. No, it is not cold. No, it is not cold. Do you play music? Do you play music? Yes, I play music. Yes, I play music. No, I don't play music. No, I don't play music. Are you tired? Are you tired? Yes, I am tired. Yes, I am tired. No, I am not tired. No, I am not tired. Do you cook at home? Do you cook at home? Yes, I cook at home. Yes, I cook at home. No, I don't cook at home. No, I don't cook at home. Is she your friend? Is she your friend? Yes, she is my friend. Yes, she is my friend. No, she is not my friend. No, she is not my friend. Do you drink tea? Do you drink tea? Yes, I drink tea. Yes, I drink tea. No, I don't drink tea. No, I don't drink tea. Are you happy today? Are you happy today? Yes, I am happy. Yes, I am happy. No, I am not happy. No, I am not happy. Do you work every day? Do you work every day? Yes, I work every day. Yes, I work every day. No, I don't work every day. No, I don't work every day. Is this your bag? Is this your bag? Yes, this is my bag. Yes, this is my bag. No, this is not my bag. No, this is not my bag. Do you write letters? Do you write letters? Yes, I write letters. Yes, I write letters. No, I don't write letters. No, I don't write letters. Are you a student? Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. Yes, I am a student. No, I am not a student. No, I am not a student. Do you like music? Do you like music? Yes, I like music. Yes, I like music. No, I don't like music. No, I don't like music. Is it raining now? Is it raining now? Yes, it is raining. Yes, it is raining. No, it is not raining. No, it is not raining. Do you like cats? Do you like cats? Yes, I like cats. Yes, I like cats. No, I don't like cats. No, I don't like cats. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. Yes, I am hungry. No, I am not hungry. No, I am not hungry. Do you sleep early? Do you sleep early? Yes, I sleep early. Yes, I sleep early. No, I don't sleep early. No, I don't sleep early. Is this your phone? Is this your phone? Yes, this is my phone. Yes, this is my phone. No, this is not my phone. No, this is not my phone. Do you have a car? Do you have a car? Yes, I have a car. Yes, I have a car. No, I don't have a car. No, I don't have a car. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. No, I am not ready. No, I am not ready. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English. No, I don't speak English. No, I don't speak English. Is the door open? Is the door open? Yes, the door is open. Yes, the door is open. No, the door is not open. No, the door is not open. Do you go to school? Do you go to school? Yes, I go to school. Yes, I go to school. No, I don't go to school. No, I don't go to school. Are you angry? Are you angry? Yes, I am angry. Yes, I am angry. No, I am not angry. No, I am not angry. Do you eat fish? Do you eat fish? Yes, I eat fish. Yes, I eat fish. No, I don't eat fish. No, I don't eat fish. Is he your brother? Is he your brother? Yes, he is my brother. Yes, he is my brother. No, he is not my brother. No, he is not my brother. Do you like sports? Do you like sports? Yes, I like sports. Yes, I like sports. No, I don't like sports. No, I don't like sports. Is it sunny today? Is it sunny today? Yes, it is sunny. Yes, it is sunny. No, it is not sunny. No, it is not sunny. Do you use a computer? Do you use a computer? Yes, I use a computer. Yes, I use a computer. No, I don't use a computer. No, I don't use a computer. Are you at work? Are you at work? Yes, I am at work. Yes, I am at work. No, I am not at work. No, I am not at work. Do you like travel? Do you like travel? Yes, I like travel. Yes, I like travel. No, I don't like travel. No, I don't like travel. Is your house big? Is your house big? Yes, my house is big. Yes, my house is big. No, my house is not big. No, my house is not big. Do you have money? Do you have money? Yes, I have money. Yes, I have money. No, I don't have money. No, I don't have money. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I am free tomorrow. Yes, I am free tomorrow. No, I am not free tomorrow. No, I am not free tomorrow. Do you like me? Do you like me? Yes, I like you. Yes, I like you. No, I don't like you. No, I don't like you. I like this phone, I will buy it. I like this phone, I will buy it. I like this phone, I will buy it. I like this phone, I will buy it.